Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to block a full or partial screen to prevent touch interactions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here click on interaction and dexterity and then click on interaction control. Now turn on this interaction control shortcut button, and after turning on this button, go back to your home screen and open the app in which you want to use the touch interaction. Now after opening the app, click on the shortcut to open the interaction. So press the volume up key and power button at the same time and then click on interaction control. Now if you want to block partial screen, then select the area that you want to block, and after selecting the area, click on done. And if you want to block full screen, then here you will see a block whole screen option. So select on this option and then it will block the whole screen to prevent touch interactions. So that's how you can block the partial screen or full screen from touch interactions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.